Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Martial Art Lifestyle 10-Minute Daily Workout Challenge. Here's where I challenge you to work out each day with daily 10-minute martial arts workout routines to help you enhance your martial arts skills, stay in shape, improve movement, flexibility, and overall health. The routines feature a range of striking techniques taken from various martial art styles and combined with body toning workout exercises. This course includes multiple 10-minute martial arts workout routines, so you can have a new workout for each day of the week. I know how busy you are with work, school, maybe kids, and any hobbies you may have, so I wanted to create a full workout routine course that can be done in only 10 minutes each day. You can perform these workouts at any time, whether it's when you get up in the morning to help you get energized for the day, or before winding down later in the afternoon. But before we get started, let me tell you a little about myself. I'm Jason Gandy with Martial Art Lifestyle and your instructor for the 10-minute daily martial arts workout challenge. I've been practicing and teaching martial arts and self-defense for over 10 years. For me, martial arts is not only a form of self-defense, but also a lifestyle that can provide self-discipline, confidence, increased energy, phenomenal health, and even happiness to do something that you love to do. Growing up, I was obsessed with everything involved with martial arts. I've competed in many submission grappling, kickboxing, and traditional martial arts tournaments over the years. I've even done traditional lion dance performances for crowds during Chinese New Year. But my passion is not only the practice and study of martial arts, but also being able to teach and help others along their path as well. My first experience actually teaching martial arts was when I became the president of the Kung Fu Club at my college in 2006. I was far from a master and didn't feel ready, but I was currently the highest ranked student in the class. My master and previous president of the club had to leave America and go to China, so the club would be shut down unless I stepped up to the plate. As nervous as I was, I took the job, and it ended up being one of the best choices I could have made. Since then, I've had the privilege to teach hundreds of students in everything from Kung Fu and grappling to cardio kickboxing and women's self-defense. Martial arts not only teaches how to defend yourself against opponents, but living a martial arts lifestyle allows you to stay fit and maintain a healthy way of life. So let's take a look at what we'll be covering in the course. I'll see you in the next video.